Okay guys, so this is the first video of this series. So if you want to see the other videos, check the description box. And also we will also in the upcoming videos we will also bring the DI series of same type of DI series. So let's start the first puzzle. In this 8 people are given. Okay, they lives at different floor and they likes different birds. So these are the names. From here the condition start. What the condition is? T lives at an even number floor but above the 4th floor. So which are the even number floor above 4th? So this and this. Okay, after this M does not like at the lowermost floor. Okay, so it means M should not come here. After this at the floor or and also this is also same for M. At M also at the floor below or above T, mean M also do not live just immediate neighbor of M is also immediate neighbor of T. 4 people lie between the one who like parrot and the crow. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, 4 people and crow. Okay, up to here we are done. Only one person lie between H and one who eagle, like eagle. H, 1 people, 1 person and what? Eagle. Wait a minute, eagle. Okay, the one who likes kingfisher lives immediately below the one who likes crow. Okay, so crow is here, so we will write just try to merge the condition as much as you can do. Okay, so I have written the kingfisher immediately below the crow. Okay, and Q does not like cuckoo and peacock. So Q does not like cuckoo and what? Peacock. Don't be confused in peacock and parrot. Okay, so B like eagle and lives one of the floor above X. So B likes eagle. B we have already written here. So we will merge this. B likes eagle and lives one of the floor above X. 3 people lie between T and the one who like cuckoo. 3 people lie between cuckoo and T. So T is already written here. So T skip 3 places and write cuckoo. Okay, same for here. Cuckoo will come here. Okay. Now check the other. M likes parrot and live one of the lives on an odd number floor. So M likes what? M likes parrot and live and at a odd on an odd number floor. So M cannot live here. See, is this possible to write M here? No, not possible. First odd number is this, so M is not possible here. Second odd number is this, not possible. It is possible here. It is possible here. M is not possible here and here. Why? Because see, M should not be immediate neighbor of T. So we will write M here and parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Done. And if we talk about this condition, so M cannot come here. The first was clearly written here, and M cannot come. M can come here, and M also can come here. I'm checking only odd numbers, and M cannot come here because if we write M here, then it will be immediate neighbor of T. So M can come either here or a third or fifth floor. So either M will be here or M will be here. Now see the other condition. 2 people lie between Q and the one who like kingfisher. Q and kingfisher. So I am just directly merging this condition. Okay, N like doves. N likes what? Dove. D-O-V-E. The one who likes peacock and sparrow does not live at the bottom or lowermost floor. Mean here who will not live? The one who likes peacock and the one sparrow. Okay, sparrow. P does not like kingfisher. P does not like kingfisher. Done. So we have written all the condition. Now check one by one. So try to solve the condition which is covering the maximum space. So here I can see this condition only. This is covering the maximum space in all the conditions. Which are all the conditions? Like the second at the second place, this. Okay, this is covering 3 places. This condition will cover our 3 places, but this is covering 4 plus 2 means 6 places it will cover. So I will try start from here. Okay, so check parrot and 4 places crow. Parrot is written here directly, so we can write now. We can write here parrot, skip 4 places and write crow here. Crow immediately below kingfisher and skip 2 places and write Q. Done. in the same manner, if we write, suppose that I'm like what, I'm like parrot now, can you write here parrot? Not possible, because if we write m parrot here, then where the crow will go? Crow will not possible then, so m cannot come here, we cannot write m here, so we have to keep m here, and m will write what, parrot, and skip 4 places, and then crow will go here, crow, king, skip 2 places and write q. Done. So we have written all this, we have used this complete condition. So now this left, so we will not erase this. M is not also not at the first floor, okay, and not here also, okay, so we can erase this also. Now see the other condition. After this, it was covering 6 places. Now check the condition which cover the maximum space. Now this is the condition which can cover the maximum space in all the condition, so it can cover 3 places. So we will try this first. So what is this condition? H, okay, then 1 place we have to skip, then after the B will come, H dash B, and B also likes eagle, and that should be above X. So we will try this. Check, is this pair of H and B is possible here? Not possible. Here also not possible, and here it is possible at 7 and 5. Done. Okay, and above this it is not possible. Okay, check, is this possible here? Not possible. Here also not possible, and it is possible here. In the same manner, here it is possible. Okay, no other condition is left for H and B. So now also tell me one thing, B likes eagle, so we can by this we can assuredly say that B will come here. Okay, so I will write B here, and B likes eagle, okay, and in the same manner B eagle, okay, and skip 1 place, and H will go here. Done. I hope you understand. And also B lies above X, so we will write X here, okay, X, and now we can erase this condition. Now we can erase. Now check the other condition. So we have used the most of the condition. Now what left? Just now try the remaining condition one by one. Now we know that n likes dove. You check where n can come in this condition. N can where n is possible. It is not possible here. Here also not possible. Only here it is possible. Okay, so if I erase X and write, then after I can write n here. Okay, n likes what? Dove. Got it? So then X will be final here. Okay, and now in this two possibilities are there for n, this and this, and this also it is not confirmed now. So this these 3 possibilities are there. Okay, so now check the related condition. See this condition was saying that Q does not like cuckoo and peacock. Q does not like cuckoo and peacock. Okay, Q likes cuckoo here in this condition, so it means this is wrong, this will be wrong. So now what left? Q does not like cuckoo and peacock, so cuckoo we have already written, so we can erase this cuckoo. And now check the peacock, where it peacock we can write peacock. So peacock will not come here, so peacock will come here, peacock. Okay, and now we can erase this. And now what left? Sparrow left, I think. Sparrow. Okay, sparrow will go here. And now what left? One more person left, I think, P. So P will go here. Okay, I hope you understand. This is our final solution. So see you in next video. If you want to watch the all the related videos, check the description box. Thank you.